Hey everyone, welcome to another video. Today we're going to tackle an interesting problem related to monitoring CPU and memory usage during the execution of a command. The problem we're facing is how to obtain the mean CPU and memory usage for a specific command over its elapsed time. Now let's dive into the solution for this problem. The first step is to use the time command with the v flag followed by your command. This will provide us with valuable information about the CPU and memory usage, such as the user and sys times for CPU, and the maximum resident set size for memory. Speaking of solutions, the next step involves creating a bash script named run_command.sh. This script will run your command in the background, capture the process ID, PID, and store it in a temporary file for monitoring. Continuing with the solution, we need to create another bash script named my_script.h. This script will orchestrate the execution of the command, monitor its CPU and memory usage while it's running, and calculate the mean values for both metrics. By polling the CPU and memory usage at regular intervals, we can accurately determine the average values. In summary, we've covered a detailed approach to monitoring and calculating the mean CPU and memory usage for a specific command. By leveraging the time command and creating custom bash scripts, we can gather valuable insights into the resource utilization of our processes. Hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below with your thoughts. See you in the next one.